Hi folks, it's Erin with Stationery HQ, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about designing a wedding suite. If you're a beginner and you're just getting into wedding stationery, I have some tips for you. To start with, a wedding suite should have a color palette and kind of a general theme, a look that reflects what the couples are going for with their big event. So if they wanted to have, say, something really formal and it was going to be, I don't know, black tie, then that's what your invitation suite should look like. And if they were going to be bohemian and casual, then that should be the feeling that you get when you open the invitation. So typically an invitation is a flat card and it comes in 5x7, which is called A7 size, and it could be vertical or it could be a landscape design, and you could print just one side, or you could print both sides and maybe include a photo of the bride and groom on the back. You could do single weight paper or double thick, and double thick is amazing. It's so luxurious and really heavy duty. And I like a paper that has kind of a nice soft texture to it, just a little bit of a texture, like cotton. Cotton paper is beautiful for a wedding suite. Then, along with your A7 invitation, you would need an A7 outer envelope. And that envelope could either be a square flap, like this one. It could be a Euro flap that has the point right here. It could be just blank on the outside, and you have a calligrapher hand write the recipient's names and addresses, and that's beautiful. I love that look. Or you could pre-print them using variable data, so that it's a little less work, and then you're including your design on the envelope as well as everything else. The reply card should have a light background or a white background to make it easy to see any writing, whether it's a special message or choosing what your entree will be at the wedding. The reply card comes with a self-addressed, self-stamped envelope. So you would pre-print the return address, where you want it to go, and you would pre-stamp these. And this and the reply card together would go inside the outer envelope with the 5x7 invitation. So those are the two basic pieces. A lot of couples now are doing wedding websites where you do your reply there and you pick your entree there. So you might just have an info card, and then you wouldn't need a reply envelope. It'd just be an info card that they keep with all the pertinent information for the event. So those are the two basic pieces that always go out. And then if you wanted to do more, include your suite throughout the event itself, you could add the design to things like, this is a program. The program would be sitting in the chairs when the guests arrive and sit down for the ceremony. And that could be so many different formats. Really, it's almost whatever you want. So this is a 5.5 by 8.5 card because I wanted room to put in the information about the wedding party. I just did it one-sided, but it could be two-sided, it could be folded, it could be long and skinny, it could be square, it could be die cut. There's a ton that you could do with a program, and guests seem to like having something to read and a reference in case they don't know everybody that's standing up at the wedding. You can also design table numbers. Table numbers are fun. They add a lot of flavor to the table decor, and you can have a lot of fun with how you design them too. They could be all the same, or you could do a different design for every table. I mixed up the colors for this one, and I did that so that when someone came and got their place card, which is also another fun item to have at a wedding, make it easy for people to know where they're sitting. So they find their place card, and because it looks like this, they're looking for the table that also has this design on it. Where, say, if you were sitting at table 5 and it had a blue sign, then I would have the place card match that, so that when I go pick up my table 5 place card, it's really easy for me to find where I'm supposed to sit. So that's place cards. Those are under variable data printing, which means there's a different name on every card. So it's not just 50 of one card, it's 50 different cards printed at one time. You can also do a menu. Menus are fun, and a lot of couples are including that now. It dresses up the table a little bit, adds color. This is a popular size. It's A10, which is 4.25 by 9. There's a lot of room for nice design and a great way to display what's happening at dinner at the event. But you could do a round. We have a 6-inch round. If you were using round plates, that could be really pretty. It could be a square. This could be really just like programs. You can do a lot with it. But this is popular and happening. It's very trendy right now, and I kind of love it. You'd also, after the event's over, want to provide thank you notes for your couple so that it's really easy for them as they start getting their wedding gifts in to just send them out as they go, or as they receive a present, send a thank you note out so that they don't have 100 thank yous to write when they get back from their honeymoon all relaxed. So that's about it for a typical wedding suite design. I hope that information helped you, and thanks for watching. Bye.